No age in the 40-plus class. Pushed the first time across the start-finish line, a 40.6. Of course, a short first lap with that starting distance from the line. It's Kelsey, Vett, Steele, Kennedy, your top five.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at 400 RC Raceway and we're going out in the mains. I made it into the A main for both of my classes. I'm very happy about that. Fall Classic, 400 Fall Classic. It's Friday practice, Saturday qualifier, Sunday mains. We are on Sunday, it's mains day. My first race up will be race number 9, 40 plus E-Buggy AMAIN, starting in P6. I did my first few qualifiers with a worn down Sprinter. Now I'm on a J Concepts Reflex in blue. No other changes to the electronics, so we're going out with a Gen Zeiss Redline 2.0, 6300 milliamp hour, all hobby wing electronics, with the XR8 Pro G3 and a 1900 kV motor. This is on a Techno EB48 2.1. I just talked about buggy. My last race of the day will be E-Buggy, starting in A main in P12. I just barely made it into the A because my third qualifier was pretty poor. It was my worst run, and even though I wanted it to be my best, it fell me down from 7th to 12th with the qual points. With the Techno ET48 2.0 on J Concepts Reflex tires and Gen Zeiss batteries, Gen Zeiss Redline batteries, and I'm still on the Hobby King system. This is the TS200, Trackstar TS200, then the 2200 kV Trackstar motor. This is they just started a start of a Nitro main, and they are 88 drivers, 170 some entries at this event. This is what we'll be doing in a couple minutes. This is a Nitro buggy, B main, I believe. $40 plus E-Buggy A-Main. I'll be starting in P6. We'll see if we can move up 3 spots. I believe it's a top 3 podium. We'll see if we can move up a couple spots to get there.
Again, B-Main Nitro drivers that need your help badly.
This is the spot that I like. This is where I've been qualifying all day yesterday. Where I got a decent sight line in that corner, and I can still see that one.
Nitro is up next. Logan, can you make sure you stand near the cone, please? Thanks, buddy. That's just for visibility purposes. All right, guys, roll them out. Roll your pants practice lap. Thank you, guys. Had to do a little bit of organization there, but thank you guys for your help. Whoa. We're going to set the grid this lap, guys. 40 plus E-Buggy A-Main, brought to you by Trueform.
This is a 10-minute
Slow them down when you hit the straightaway, guys. Slow them down, hit the straightaway. Brian Bush, you're on the 1. Check Kelsey, you're on the 2. Fat Bet is on the 3. Dave Steele on the 4. Brian Robbins on the 5. John Kennedy on the 6. BK Lee on the 7. Ron Lupo, you'll be on the 8 cone. 9, Jimmy Mike Traharn. 10, Nick Hansen. 11, Greg Golden. 12, Jay Lovegrove. 13, Chris Hickey. And 14, Jay Dolan. Your 40 plus electric buggy A-Main, brought to you by Trueform, TQ by Brian Bush in all 3 rounds of qualifying. Defending champion Chet Kelsey starts second. Quarter marshals ready. Drivers ready. This is your A-Main 40 plus electric buggy, brought to you by Trueform. We're going racing on the toe. And here we go. Nice and clean, guys. Nice and clean. First couple corners, keep it clean. Oh, yes. Very nice. Good start. Here we go with the 8 of 40 plus. Brian Bush leads them out. The first time to the big triple on the right, it's Bush, followed by Kelsey. Dave Steele to the inside of Fat Bet, gets third away. Nice block pass for Steele, moving up to the 3rd spot. Followed by Vet and Brian Robbins, your top 5. Down the center straightaway, Dave a little bit out of speed. Fab around the outside makes the pass for 3rd. Top 2 getting away though. Brian Bush, the New York native, Chet Kelsey back after a long layoff, and they are just showing no signs of ring rust No age in the 40-plus class. Pushed the first time across the start-finish line, a 40.6. Of course, a short first lap with them starting just in front of the line. It's Kelsey, Vet, Steele, Kennedy, your top 5. Followed by Mike Trehard, PK Lee, Brian Robbins, Steve Lovegrove, Nick Hansen, the top 10. Followed by Chris. And a battle for 12 going to be Golden and Lupo and Jay Doler in 14th. Through the washboards, Brian Bush clean and smooth up and over the center. Hip check, no problem for your leader. Jack Kelsey trying to keep pace. That's easier said than done. I race Brian Bush every single weekend. Trying to keep pace. That's easier said than done. I race Brian Bush every single week in New York. He's one tough customer. New York, he's one tough customer. Over the KO Pro Post tabletop, Bush a little bit of a short landing. Makes a mistake on the left side. Still keeps it straight, but here comes Kelsey right there behind. Going off the track on the left side, off the tabletop, they're trying for it. Here is Brian Bush and Kelsey separated by 0.8 of a second. 43.6 for Kelsey that time by. It is Fab Vet third. Steele fourth. PK Lee jumps to fifth. Brian Robbins back up to 6 now. Kennedy drops to 7. 8th is going to be Lovegrove, followed by Hickey. Hansen your top 10, followed by Lupel. Trehard tumbling all the way down the board to 13th. Going stuck on the tabletop on the double step up. That was Doler. Marshall, I need your help. Keep your eyes open, guys. Thank you. Brian Bush being pursued by Kelsey. Bush upside down after the crossover. Needs some help. Riley's all over, but we have a lead change. It's check Kelsey to the front. And Fast Vet moves to second now. Bush still holding third. There's Steele right there behind him along with Lee and Robbins, a 6-car breakaway. Kelsey a 43.4. There's Vet with a 43.3, Bush a 46.9. Back to work goes your TQ man. He's been on top all weekend long, and he still has plenty of time to get back there. 7:40 to go. Kelsey over the big triple, followed by Vet, followed by Bush. No problem for your top 3. Steele right there behind, along with Lee and Robbins. Followed by Kennedy and 7. Lovegrove, Hansen, Hickey, your top 10. After that, going to be Lupo, Golden, Trehard, and Doler. Watching the race up front, though. Chet Kelsey under fire as they come to the left side crossover. Still have Fab Vet and Bush right there in close proximity. Working their way to the left side, double step up and down the front straightaway for one more lap. Chet Kelsey this time by a 43.3, Fab a 42.6, Bush a 42.4. Bush the fastest car on the racetrack. That last time by, up to third spot, chasing down your top 2. Here they come to the right side, chicane and over the big triple. Up and away goes Kelsey. Little nose high, able to correct it. All 3 drivers swing the big corner. Through the washboards they go. Who's going to blink first as they come over the center crossover? Fab a little to the outside, he saved it. One more time around the S-corners into the KO Broco tabletop. Straight landings for all 3 drivers. Bush off the left side, makes a mistake. He's going to go back to the corner. And thank you for the hesitation. So Bush still in P3. Fab Vet still running down Kelsey as we have 6:30 to go. Still tons of time left in your plus 40 buggy A-Main. Dave Steele now right behind Bush for third. Here they come. Now Bush trails by 4 seconds. Steele only 6/10 back of Brian. Followed by Robbins into that 5 spot. Lee and Kennedy 6 and 7. Check Kelsey one more time on the big triple. And we still have Fab in close proximity over the bank corner. Fab using the bank. To the hip check they go. Both drivers keeping it tight. To the short shoot around the S-corner. The KO Pro Cook table is 4 down and 6 to go. It's Chet Kelsey with a 42.8 last lap. But here comes Fab Vet, a former Quebec Classic champion, along with Nitro last winner in 40 plus. Can he do it here at 400 at the Fall Classic presented by Nitro Farms? It's Kelsey one more time, 42.6, 42.5 for Vet. Bush 41.3. Here comes Brian Bush, empty in the tank with 5.5 minutes to go. Steele falling down to the 4th spot, lead 5, Robbins and Kennedy. Good race for 5th between DK, Brian, and John. Lovegrove, your 8th, Lupo 9, Hansen 10, Golden, Trehard, Hickey, Doler. Races up front, top 3 through the center straightaway. Still got Kelsey. Clean as a whistle under pressure, cold as ice on the KO Pro table. All 3 drivers up in their own clean. Bush is the fastest car on the racetrack. Here they come to the left side drop off. Bush tries to get the inside lane, and he rolls it over. Almost got the position, but didn't lose much time. Quick marshal from Will Shell. 5 gone, 5 to go. Nitro Truggy's up next, and we have Chet Kelsey leading by 2.2 seconds. Bush in the 2, or Fab in the 2, Bush in the 3, Steele and Lee your top 5. Followed by Robbins, Kennedy, Lupo, Hansen, and Lovegrove your top 10. Chet leads by 2 seconds with 4:40 to go. Watching my lead race Gonna pick them up here to the center of the racetrack. Down the center straight they go. Bush still right behind Fat Ben in case they make contact up in front of him. Kelsey clean over the big tabletop. Bush still trying to size up Bet. One more time they go over the left side drop off. Here they come to the double step up and down on the left side one more time. Bet comes up a little bit short. Bush right there on the inside lane. Couldn't quite make it. 43-3, 42-1, 41-1. Bush another new fast lap of the race on lap number 8. Bush starting to run low on time, but he's still got 4 minutes left to go. But Fat Bet easier to catch him than it is to pass him for sure. Over the big triple they go. Bush trying everything he can. Over the big corner for the walk sports. Fat able to hold the inside line for now. To the center straight they go. Bush knows he has to go. Set trying to drive away. Thank you, Chris, for waiting up. Awesome stuff, guys. Leaders will be coming into traffic shortly with 3:45 left to go. Bush a little mistake off the left side table. Chris gives him the lead. Thank you, sir. Awesome sportsmanship. And Fat Bet sizing up his spray of Tech Kelsey. Down the front straightaway they go. One more time. At the start finish line, the separation in 0.2 of a second. 41.9 for Bet the last time. Here they come to the center drop off. White, green, and blue against the all-white Bush and the white, orange, and blue Techno. Here they come to the right side, chicane and over the big triple. Who's going to make the first mistake? That's been perfect to this point. 3:15 left. Bush still right there behind him. But Bet looking to try and make a move. He knows he has to go because Bush is going to be right back on him. Bush a small mistake, but able to keep it straight. Down the center straightaway they go. To the KO Pro table top on the left. Bam still right there behind him. Heads up to Golden. You'll see him next. 7 down, 3 to go. It is Kelsey leading, followed by Bet, followed by Bush, all in the same area of the racetrack down the front straight. 1, 2, and here comes 3. Separation still 3/10 as Bet tries to find the inside lane. Bet giving him none of it. Through the center doubles they go. Set a nice line through the center chicane. Here they come to the right side triple. Inside look for Bet, almost made the pass. And they're going to try and go one more time through the wall sports. Kelsey tries to hold the spot. He does. Crossover maneuver by Bet down the center straight, not enough. 2:30 left to go. Heads up, guys. Watch out. Watch out. Next up, Treyhard. You got 3 cars coming, Mike. What a race here in the 40-plus E-Buggy AMAIN. Kelsey under fire. Bet goes over the top. Top shelf pass from Bet makes it. Makes that. Watch the trio guys right in the... Sorry guys, the mic is cutting out on me, so Kelsey gets the lead back set. Tried his best to avoid the marshal, but couldn't. Everybody's all clear with 2 minutes to go. We'll reset now. As again, we have Kelsey, followed by Bush, followed by that. Watch the bank corner, guys, watch the bank. Heads up, white car, that's the leaders. Thank you very much. Treyhard, one more car. Thanks, Mike. 1:45 left. It is going to be Kelsey and Bush now, 1 and 2. Fab still back there in third. Followed by Steele, Robbins, your top 5, Kennedy, Lee, Lupo, Hansen, Treyhard, your top 10. Ken Kelsey, hold off the advantage of Brian Bush, your TQ man on the weekend, trying to win this one, but Kelsey under fire. Here they come again, 42.5, 42.7. Fab's at a 43.1. They're all still separated by 2 seconds for the win here in 40-plus E-Buggy. 1:15 left to go. They should have 2 laps remaining. Fab still 3, Steele 4, Robbins 5, Kennedy, Lee, Lupo, Hansen, Treyhard. Top 9 on the lead lap still. Bush right there over the washboard. Fab rolls it over. It's a 2-car race, man, here with 1 minute to go. Here they come to the KO Pro tabletop. One more time, it's Kelsey being hounded by Bush. Bush up the inside. Almost made the pass. To the left side drop up they go. Bush trying to top shelf. Couldn't quite do it. Here they come one more time. This is the white flag lap one more time around for Kelsey and Bush. This is to settle it for the win in the AMAIN. Kelsey and Bush, green, white, blue, blue, white, orange. Who's going to win this one? Fab still third, Steele and Kennedy, your top 5. Here they come over the big triple for the final time. Heads up, Hansen. They'll be coming up to you if they get to you. 25 seconds left to go. Bush one more try. Up in the center straightaway to the tabletop. 15 seconds to go. Kelsey trying his best to win this one. Hansen gives him plenty of room. Here they come to the left side drop off. One more time. Oh, nice landing there for Chet. One more run down the straightaway. The best race you're going to see all day long. Chet Kelsey is going to win 40-plus E-Buggy presented by True4. Wow. Brian Bush finishes an awesome second place run. Greg Dunn for the 9th spot. Nick 8th. Fat Bet finishes 3rd. You guys are racing to the finish line. Finish the lap you were on. Mike Strayhard going to finish up in the 6th spot, followed by the 13th spot for Jay Doler. Here comes James Steele for 4th. Battle for 5th at the end here. You see that Kennedy finishing in 5th, followed by Robin in 6th. Everybody is done. And that Kelsey wins. 40 plus electric lights to finish right through for him. You don't see a much better race than that, guys.
5th. All right, moved up 1 spot. That's pretty good. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're newer around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment below down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Well,
All right, everybody.